Second video today, part 2 of syllabus. We have still another 4 points, 4 items for the syllabus. All right, so let's look at the number 5 item, quizzes. For the quizzes this semester, I plan to do this many. Actually, I plan to do 5. At the end, drop the lowest one. Each of you, I just drop the lowest score. So you have chance to, improve a little bit. Yeah. So we use 4 of the 5 quizzes, 4 times 4%, each one 4%. So 16 total percent. Yeah. For the quiz question types, very simple. I just want to make it, easy to handle. Yeah. Total 10 questions. 10. Okay. The question type still multiple choice plus short answer type. Okay, yeah. Each one 4 points. So you can see total 40 points. Oh, sorry. All right. And duration of the quiz, when I post it, you start to work duration, the period of time, 1 full week. From beginning to end, 1 full week. Okay. And I use the Canvas quiz. Canvas built-in quiz. Okay. Yeah. And the Canvas, this quiz tool does the grading automatically. So I enter my answers. So the system will use my answers to do the grading. So you will get the final result automatically. Yeah. Another thing, I do not give you multiple chances for each quiz, only one chance. Okay. Yeah, because at previous semester, when I give my students multiple chances, the students got confused. They got confused. And even, many students complained. So after that, I just remove the multiple chance option. I make single chance. You only have one chance to do it. Yeah. But anyway, you have a full week to complete it. Yeah. Another thing I like to let you know, because when you start a quiz, there is a, time elapsed label somewhere. Yeah, so the time elapsed. Yeah. Many students, when they watch this time elapsed, they feel nervous because they thought probably the time used for this quiz matters in some way, but actually it's not. Okay? Ignore this. No matter how long it is. Don't worry about it. Ignore it. Okay? Just ignore it. Make sure you submit it before the deadline. That's enough. I put a deadline, so before the deadline, so you're fine. So you can study, answer one question, then take a break. Later you come back, then, answer another question during that 1 week period of time. That's enough. Okay. But this one, I will put in the instruction of the quiz. So every time I put this, because so many students got confused, got nervous. So I put that instruction, okay, for each quiz. Yeah. All right, so that's the quiz part. Number 5. Number 6 tests, 2 tests, 1 midterm test, then final test. Not accumulative. That's the biggest question. Many students ask me, not accumulative. Yeah. All right, so here, let me put this, not accumulative. Yep. Yeah. Then the first one, you can see this, weekend period, that's the 5th week. 5th week. Yeah. Past the midpoint at the end of the 4th week. Past that, then starting from week number 5, we need to prepare for the midterm. So then in the week, so here you can see 3 days. Friday, that's the, question posting day. Okay. I post questions on that day. So then, download, work on it by yourself. Okay. So then Saturday, Sunday completed. At the end of Sunday, completed. Yeah. But after you completed the deadline here, right? And I give 1 day grace period. Grace period. Yeah. All right. All right, sorry. Period. You know the meaning, yeah? If you submit a little late, but not too much longer, a little late, within 1 day period, yeah, 1 more day, right? I do not take any penalty. So you're fine. You still get 100%, yeah, because many students, or some students, not many, some students, they ask me to give a little more extension due to some, special problem here, there. Yeah, so I saw quite some. Yeah. Then let me just give you, that 1 day grace period. So no nonsense. Don't ask me. So if you can complete it before that time, you don't need to tell me anything. Okay? Yeah, just do it. Yeah. Also, some students, they just submit slightly after the end of Sunday. Yeah, that happens a lot due to some network failure, or some many other things, right? Yeah, that happens a lot. Okay, 1 day grace period covers all those things. Just use it. Okay. All right. Here the midterm test, final. Yeah, final here, final, because here I may like to make an adjustment a little bit. Yeah, because think about, usually we start posting final test questions on Friday, right? So here it's like covering Saturday through Monday. Okay, not the same as our usual pattern, right? Our homework also use this pattern. Yeah, our homework also use our homework, right? Homework, yeah, let me see, also use this pattern. Yes, yeah. So this one, I may like to consider, small change in this way. August 3rd, Friday, so that's the question posting day. Then also total 3 day period, Sunday. All right, but after that, the Monday, you know, we can use it as that grace period. How about that? So we have 1 day for that grace period. So give you a little room for breathing, right? Yeah, because then August 7th, Tuesday, that's the last day of final. Last day of final. Okay? You know, I like to submit the grades on this day. So, right? I like to submit grades on this day. Yeah. So I need to complete everything on the last day of final, August the 7th, Tuesday. All right? So with this kind of thing, yeah. So get yourself prepared, mentally prepared before that period. Yeah. All right. So here, number 6 is done. Number 7, extra credit. Yeah. I give you a few chances to earn some extra credit. The first one, online evaluation. Online evaluation, when you do it, up to 1% overall. So what's this 1% overall? So final, 100, right? Final, when I assign your final grades, I use that 100 points, right? Yeah. So 1%, that means 1% of that 100 points. Okay? You add one more on it, 101, 101. That's the meaning of this 1%. Okay. All right. But here, up to, why up to here? Because you have 2 lines. I'll give you 2 lines. The first line, 50%. That means if more than 50% of the students in this class completed this online evaluation, everyone earned 0.5% extra credit, not 1.5, half of the 1%. But if you can do better, 80% line, pass this 80% line, then 1 full % for everyone. Yeah. But I will send reminder to everyone. Okay? Yeah. I will send reminder, the message to everyone telling you the percentage. How many students have done that? Yeah. By 1 week, in 1 week before the deadline. 1 week before the deadline, so that period, I send you a few reminders, telling you the percentage number, so you can see which one you can get, to make sure everyone try your best to earn that 1 full %. Yeah. All right, so that's the first chance. Second chance, early project submission up to 1%. Yeah. The meaning is this. So we have 2 projects, right? 2 projects. 2 projects, so you have 2 chances to earn extra credit. Project 1, project 2, each one, you have 2 chances. All right. So then, I give you 2 lines you can use as the reference. Okay, the first line, early line. The second is the usual deadline. Okay, yeah, the usual deadline. The early line and deadline, the difference plus 1 week. Okay, yeah. Early line, 1 week. 1 week ahead of the deadline, you earn 1% extra credit. If you can submit your project, current project, 1 week before that deadline, earn 1%. But you can earn fractions fraction of 1%. Fraction of 1%. Because think about, you may submit not 1 week, 3 days before the deadline, right? 3 days. If 3 days, 3/7%. How about that? Okay, things like that. Fractional. Yeah. Then I just round it up. Okay, round it up. 0.4, 0.5. You know, like that. All right. So that's the extra credit chance. So you can see at the end you have up to the total maximum amount of extra credit you can earn, 3%. How about that? 3% for the whole class. 103. The final amount. 103 out of 100. 103. So 3 extra percent. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Hope many of you can earn that number. Yeah. All right. The last point. Last one. Grading. Yeah. So the grading scales, I use pretty much the general grading lines. I give plus minus. I know some instructors do not give plus minus. Here, I like to give plus minus. So more precisely measure your real grades, because in that way, sometimes you can improve your GPA a little bit. GPA a little bit. Yeah. All right. So that way. Another thing, usually I do not like to give curves. Okay, so no curves for my tests in general, unless there is some very special reason, then I can give. Okay, if there is some very special reason, yeah, I can consider give some reasonable curve, but in general. Okay, so no curve, put in general. That means if there is no special reason, then we take this no curve way. If there is some very special reason, I can consider the curve way. Okay. All right. So anything else here? That's pretty much everything I want to explain in the syllabus. All right. So try your best. Starting, so after this video, these 2 videos, next I will record our real lecture videos. Yeah. But part A is slightly different, because part A I already spent about half of the class explaining the syllabus. The remaining only another 30 minutes. Remember, I set 1 hour each day, each weekday for the lecture, so I only have the remaining 30 minutes for the real lecture part. Yeah. Anyway, but that's just part A. After that, part B, C, D. So then we will make the, full hour covering the real lecture content. All right, so let me stop here. Yeah.